Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, we are going to see some very important and very tricky questions in Java. So if you are new to the channel, just go hit the like and subscribe button. I'm your friend from Coding Ninja. Share this video as much as possible. Without a further delay, let's start. So here I opened my Eclipse IDE and this is my workspace. I already made a project. And here, let's suppose someone asks you that if your phone number if your phone number is 10 digit, then call your friend. Suppose how to verify how to verify verify the length of a mobile number. This is the question. Verify. The second question is the see, this is the first question, and the second question is your check a particular string. A string ends with end with some particular text, like end with uh, like something, a particular alphabet. Okay. The another thing is how to check that two strings are not equal. Question 3. Check two string are not equal. So this will be very short and informative video, so look at the screen and listen to me. uh, we are going to solve all these questions together. So let's suppose question number 4. Question number 4 is I think I already discussed in another video. Length of string. Find length of string. So these are all the questions that we are going to do. So the first thing first. Suppose someone asks you that if you got a phone number, someone gave you his phone number, and you will check that the phone number, if the phone number, the digit is 10, then you will call him, otherwise the number is wrong. So how to check this? This is the very important question. First, start from the easy one. Let's keep this here. Let's start from this one. Question number 4. Okay, let's start from this one. I'm renaming this to 1, 2, 3, and 4. So how to check the length of a string? So here, suppose I have a string variable, string name is equal to mm, suppose anything, Rohan. Okay, this is my string. Someone ask you that check the length of this string. How will you check? So first, let's directly check system.out.println. Here I'm gonna do this name. This is the your variable name dot length. So now you will get your length of the string. See, 5. Let drag this here. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is how we are going to check the length. There are a lot of method of string class, How to convert a string into character? How do you convert a string into character? Let's add this question. Convert convert string in character. Let's try this. Convert string with character. Suppose I have a name. I have a variable called name that is a string data type. Now I'm gonna make char a is equal to suppose I want to uh, I want to I want this alphabet, particularly this alphabet or this alphabet, any of these alphabet. Extract string, extract, wait, question incomplete. How convert no, extract string into in character. So suppose I want this the second character of this word. So what will we do? That name dot char, we will give index 0 1, we will give 1, and here we are going to print it out. A that we extracted. Here see a, the variable name, my variable name. Here comment this out and run this program. See, oh, this character, oh, we extracted it and convert it into a character data type. So like this we can also we can generate some ID. See, the important question is adding generate ID. Suppose I have a first name. Suppose the question is, this one is very important. Suppose this is first name and there is another thing, string last name to sing. Okay, and there is a counter, int counter is equal to, it start from 1000. I want to generate a ID. My ID should be look like this. First two character of this first name, the last two character of the last name, and my counter should start from 1001. So how we are going to do this? My something, it will look like this, ROGH 1001. My answer should be this. This is my question. So I have to generate a ID. I want to take first two character of first name, last two character of last name, and then my counter should start from 1001. So how we are going to do this? First, let's take a variable like string ID is equal to first name, na, first name dot char at 1 0 comma 1. Okay, here this will give me an error. Here not, we are not going to take char at, because character should accommodate only one alphabet. Strip. Here see, there are lot of methods of string, two lower, two upper. Here we are going to choose one of these. And which one should we choose? See, look at here very closely. We are going to look here. Wait, dot. See here, substring. We are going to choose substring. Here we will give 0 and here we will give, wait, here we will give 1. Here we will give 0 and here we will give 1. Now I want everything in uppercase, so my answer should be like this. My answer output should be like this. So what we're going to do is we will convert into 2 upper. We will going to 2 convert into 2 upper. Now we will add this to my last name, and what we are going to do is wait, comment this out. It is giving me an error. We are going to do the same thing with last name dot substring here the last two character, now these two, 1 2 3 4 5. So 0 1 2 3 4, so we are going to take 3 and 4, 3 comma 4, and we will also convert this to upper, wait, to upper. Now we are going to add plus my id. Wait, my id, what is my counter. So let's try this out. Let's print this. Println. Here I am gonna print my id. So see what will be the output. Let's check. It is only taking my, see what it is taking, R and G. It is not taking O and H. Why? Why it is not taking O and H? Because in string, this is very important, mark this down. In string, if you want to take this 0 index and 1 index, then you have to give to 0 comma 2 one extra. Okay, what is this happening? 0 comma 2 one extra. If you are extracting something in string, then you have to give one extra. Like I want this 0 index and 1 index. So what will be the starting index 0, and what should be the start ending index 1? But I am here, I will give 2. Suppose here I want 0 1 2 3. I want from 3 index, and I will go to 4th index. So my starting index would be 3, my last index would be 4, but here what I give, 3 comma 5. So in string we will give one extra. We will take one extra. Now I am getting my answer. Now the okay, let me explain it again. If this is confusing for you, I have a two data uh, variable. First one is first name, second one is last name, and I have a third variable also, that is counter. I want to generate a id. My id should contain the first two character of first name, the last two character of last name in uppercase, and also my counter should be 1001. So what we are going to do is string id, we will make another variable uh, by name it anything. I am here naming it id. Take first name dot substring 0 comma 2. Why 0 comma 2? Because it should be 0 comma 1, but I give here 0 comma 2 because in string we will take one extra, and I will convert into dot to uppercase. Then I will add it with last name, and substring I will also do same thing, 3 comma 5. It should be 3 comma 4, but I am taking here 3 comma 5. I'll also convert into uppercase, and then I will add counter. Why plus plus is here? Because I want pre-increment. If I give like this, if I give like this, then it is post increment. So we want pre increment here, because my counter should start from 1001, and then we are going to print this id variable. As simple as that. Now check a string end with a particular alphabet. How we are going to solve this? Suppose you have an email id like abc@gmail.com. This is your email ID, and if I tell you, if I ask you that if your email ID ends with .com, then send a mail. How you are going to check that email id is ending with .com, or email id contain Gmail word, or it also contain Hotmail, it can also contain Yahoo Mail, Outlook. But I particularly ask you if your email id contain Gmail word, or if your email id ends with .com, then do this thing, otherwise don't do this thing. So how to check? So first, string, make a variable string email is equal to abc at the rate gmail.com. This is my variable, and I forget to give double quote here. Give double quote. Here I ask you check that your email ID ends with .com. So this is very simple. System dot, yeah, I'm directly checking it and printing it. Println. Okay. You are going to write here your variable name. This name, whatever variable you have. Email dot, wait, email dot see here, ends with. There is a function called ends with. You will use this bracket double quote .com. Now we are going to print this, check the run this. Now just run this. True. See, your email ID is ending with .com. Here, check your email ID is ending with .com. So same thing, similar thing. There is here will it, we should not change it. Wait, I'm gonna write this again. Ends with, here you'll give .com, and the similar thing start with system dot out dot println bracket, here semicolon, email your variable name dot starts with, and here I am gonna give uh, my email ID start with ABC, but I am gonna write here DEF. So let's check this out. Comment, I am gonna comment this and run the program. See, false. My email ID does not start with DEF. It starts with ABC. So by this way, you can use ends with or start with. There is one also thing, contains, like it also do the similar thing, but it can check, it will check in whole string. Here ends with only check the ending, start with only check the beginning, but dot contains check the whole string. Okay, system dot out dot println, your variable name email dot contains, see here, contains at the rate. I want to check that my email contain at the rate or not. At the rate, whatever you want to check, you will have to give it in double quote. See, the answer should be true. See, the answer is true. So dot contain check the whole string. It check the whole string. End will check the end value. Start will check the start value, but dot contain check the whole string. So how to check the two string are equal or not? How to check? So how to give not equal to in string? In integer we will give like this, but in string how to check that this is not equal? So let's try it out. Suppose I have my first name and last name here. Let's copy this, comment this out also, and this two thing, this two line I'm gonna also comment this out, and this line also. So we are going to check the start with and end with. Let's minimize this. Now the screen will be more visible. Suppose I'm gonna paste this. Suppose I have a two string, two variable, and I want to check that first name is not equal to last name. So if, this is the if syntax, let's write else also. Else, this is the else syntax. So if I'm gonna give the condition first name dot equals ignore case. I'm gonna also ignore the case. Last name, then print println, then print hey, or not equal uh, hey is fine. And here else if condition is not satisfied, then print hello dot out dot println. You are going to print hello. So let's check it out. We know that my first name is not equal to last name. We know that first name is Rohan, last name is Singh. But here the condition is if first name is equal by ignoring case also, case is it is case insensitive. First name is equal to last name, then print hey, and otherwise if condition not fulfilled, then print hello. So we know that it will print hello because Rohan is not equal to Singh. So see here, now our output is hello. But if I want to print hey, if I want to change this condition that it is if the first name is not equal to last name, then how we are going to give? We are not going to write here not. If I write here not, it will generate an error. So we will do like this. Just look at here. We will do like this. If in bracket we are going we are going to we are going to uh, put the not sign here at starting, and here we will do like this. If not first name dot equal ignore case last name, then print hey, else otherwise print hello. So also comment this out. Now we are going to do this last question. So how to verify the length of a phone number or any numerical digit, your marks, your your PAN number, your Aadhaar number, how to verify it, the length of it. Okay, your PIN code. So we know that my phone number is in long data type. Mobile number is in long data type. This is my phone number. Write L here. This is my phone number. How to check the length of this phone number? Dot length will not work here. Dot length is a string function. So if I let's check it out. If my variable name dot length, see dot length, it is not suggesting me dot length. How to check? So first we are going to convert this into a string. String dot first make a variable string mobile num is equal to string dot value of see here long. Just look at here, string dot value of long, value of give give the variable that you want to change. Okay, now it change in string. Now we convert my long data type phone number into a string, and now we can check the length. System dot out dot println. Now we are going to check the length. M num dot, oh I am a spelling mistake, m num dot, see here, now it is suggesting me all these strings methods that we can use. So we can use the length. Okay, so let's print this out. Here see 10, see here 10, it is giving me an output. So why this first we are going to change my long data type phone number into a string value, and then we will use the string and how to change, we are going to change my long data type into string by using the dot value of, string dot value of, and whatever we want to change we will write in this bracket, and then it gonna change into string data type. Then we will extract its length. Suppose this is not a long data type, this is a boolean data type. If they are true or false, you can also use lots of string functions by converting it. um, Nnum, let's rename this variable because it will give me an error. String dot, see, these are the things that you are going to use: value of boolean, value of character, value of float, double, character array, integer, long, object. So these are the things that you can do with by converting it into a string data type. So hope you like the video, and let's share, subscribe and comment on this video as much as possible. So let's meet in another video. Bye bye and happy learning.